Today I'm going to be bringing you guys along while I clean my room. So basically I moved into a new house about like a month ago. You guys have probably noticed because the background is completely different. But since that month I've been here, my room has been a wreck and I have not organized anything. So I thought, why not film a video and bring you guys along to clean my room, since it will motivate me to actually clean it and to not continue to see it get worse and worse every day. Let's just get started. I'm gonna start with hanging these up in my closet. New hangers for this. This is so much fun, you guys. I'm having a grand old time. Now I am basically just going to be tightening up my bed because it doesn't look presentable. That I have been trying to find for like a month, and look, it's got beautiful hair on it. Now, first things start about the lighting. I'm just gonna kind of organize this thing up a bit. One sock on the floor. Honestly. Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you. For watching. If you guys want more videos than the one you guys just watched, just video a thumbs up, comment down below anything you'd like me to do next. Subscribe button right here, that means so much to me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.